Today's hair and makeup look is inspired by Blackpink Lisa. This was the look that she had when she went to the Bulgari event. And I just thought the very first moment I saw this look, I was captivated and mesmerized. So if you want to see my take on recreating this look, then keep watching. Oh, jump scare, we are starting off with some SPF sunscreen. With the brows, we're just going to lightly fill it in, and I'm just going to follow my own eyebrow shape. After filling in the brows, I go in with this brow gel. It changes the color of my brows to a much lighter brown color. Before applying foundation, I like to apply Vaseline on the high points of my cheeks and on my nose. It creates like a slightly subtle dewy look in a way. And this is my go-to foundation, is the Estee Lauder foundation. I like this one because a little definitely goes a long way. And so when you choose to apply a little bit, it still hides the texture without looking too cakey. Now I think this makeup look does really focus on complexion as well, even though the main focus is eyes. So that's why we're going to highlight the main points of the face. Also, I like to apply concealer after foundation because if there is some blemishes that I see after foundation, then I can just cover up. As opposed to, concealer beforehand, then it would look too cakey. The next step is the cheeks. As you can see in this picture, she's wearing more of like a corally blush color. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to apply a corally blush color onto the cheekbones, and we're just going to rub that into a C motion. Let's get to the eyes. We're going to use this corally shade color as the base. For the transition color, we're going to be using this chocolate brown and applying it onto the edge of the eyes. Using an angled brush, we're going to go in with the darkest color and apply that towards the outer edge. Instead of immediately blending it, we're just packing it onto the eyes before blending everything in. And as you can see, by doing this technique, it looks less patchy and less messy. Using the 3 following shades of these colors, we're just going to apply underneath the eyelash line. And for the eyelashes, we're just going to curl the lashes before applying on falsies. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just at least curl the lashes. And with the mascara, I'm just going to apply only one coat because we're putting on lashes anyway. We're going to go in with this brown eye pencil and tight line our lash line. Now with tight lining, it can be quite difficult, so make sure you take your time on this. The key to tight lining is making sure that you have a crayon instead of a pencil because that shit hurts. Anyways, you're going to keep tight lining it and bringing it to the inner corners until you've reached the tear ducts of your eyes. You're going to extend that line and draw a line on the tear ducts of your eyes. And as you can see, the eyes look more elongated like she has it here in this picture. Now we're just going to drag out the eyeliner and make it into a wing. Wow, look at that difference. Compare the right to the left. It makes such a big difference. I'm not used to it. Anyways, I'm just going to apply some gold glitter eyeshadow on top of my eyelids. Now for the lashes, I'm just going to be applying it underneath my eyes, but I only literally just cut the end and applying it on my end instead of everywhere because I still want it to look natural in a way. Moving on to hair, I don't have a sock or the donut thingies, but I'm just going to use a scrunchie instead. So I'm just tying my hair up in a ponytail with the scrunchie. From here, I'm just going to wrap my hair around the scrunchie, and I'm going to do my best, I'm going to try my best as I can to kind of cover the scrunchie with my hair. Once I've got everything covered, I'm just going to go in with the elastic band and put that all together. Now I don't have bangs, so I'm just going to curl my front pieces and then just kind of like tuck that behind my ears to mimic a similar look in a way. But yeah, that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to subscribe, give it a like, and leave a comment down below.